Good day, YouTube team. My name is Frederick Mindihar, the owner of YouTube channel Balita sa Bansa, formerly known as Weather Update ng Bansa. Here is the URL channel ID. I prepared this English translated script because I am not fluent in speaking English. The primary language I speak here in the Philippines are Ilocano and a little bit Tagalog. So I hope you will kindly understand, and my English is not perfect. Can I rotate the camera? Early this morning at 5:21 a.m. on July 29, 2025, I received an email from YPP Policy Specialist regarding the review of my channel Balita sa Bansa. According to the email, a portion of my channel may not be in line on YouTube channel monetization and review feedback policy reuse content. August 4, 2025, my channel Balita sa Bansa will be suspended from monetization, and I will lose access to all monetization tools and features. I would like to appeal this decision and show the process of how I create my video content, and I will also clarify that my videos not violate monetization policy. My YouTube channel focus on providing weather updates in the Philippines to inform fellow citizens about upcoming storms and typhoon. I would like to explain how I produce my video content before uploading to my channel. For editing and production, OBS, CapCut, Filmora, Photoshop, and VLC player for screenshot this, and free text-to-speech tool from topmediai.com. First, I watch the latest video released by Pag-asa and use OBS to record it. I use voice clip from this video for my content because Pag-asa is a national institution in the Philippines known for providing accurate and official weather warnings. Their clips and updates are permitted for public use, especially in raising awareness of approaching storms. While watching the update, I write my own script and summarize the most important information in the way that is easier for our fellow Filipinos to understand. After recording the clips, I will go to CapCut and to extract the key highlights that are easier to remember, and then I convert it to MP3 format. It's like this. Then I convert it to MP3. That's it. After recording editing the clips in CapCut, and I use my script with the free text-to-speech tool at Top Media AI. This. I use Chrome Audio Capture to record it. Start. Then I save it. Save. Just like that. I collect satellite weather clips from bagong.pagasa.dost.gov.ph and windy.com using again the OBS. This is the bagong Pag-asa. I recorded it just like the same as voice clip. And then just like the windy.com, I record it again. Then after that, once I have everything, I edit and finalize the video. Filmora, I will finalize and edit just like this. So this is the recorded
bansa.
Yeah.
Ayon po sa Pag-asa, kaya po lumalakas ang southwest monsoon o hanging habagat dahil po
just like that. Then after that, for thumbnail, I use Photoshop. Then I use VLC to screenshot for thumbnail. Example, just like this. Then I go to desktop. That's it. Then go back again to Photoshop. That's it. And drag. That's it. Okay. So now, this is how I edit my video, my content about weather here in the Philippines. So I rotate the camera. I sincerely hope that your team will consider my application and allow my video to remain part of the YouTube partner program. I am committed to improving my weather content with the help of Pag-asa for the benefits of our community. This YouTube channel is my only source of livelihood and the way I support my family, especially my only daughter who is still studying. Thank you so much for your time, understanding, and kindness. God bless.